Alright, guys, we're full on Leaf Goal Soccer. 5 autos, 5 memorabilia. Cheap Chase, Ronaldo, Messi, Kaká, Neymar. All those guys. First letter, first name. We're going 6 times. 6 total times. We also have a mini going that fills Chronicles. So. Alright. In this break, we have Dylan for 3, Jimmy T, Boda for 3, Dylan Lee, Mataram for 3, Chad, Grouch, Salinas, Norse, and Boda. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everybody. We're going 6 times. 1. We should have 16 names, and we do. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Boda, you're at the bottom. Mataram, you're on the top. All right, guys. Every letter has at least 10 names. All right, so we have A, B, W, C, G, D, E, F, V, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, X, Z, R, S, and T. All right, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, CG at the bottom, M on the top. Here's who you have. I guess 2's in the store, by the way. Mataram, M, Dial Jam, L, N, O, Boda, S, Grouch, R, PXZ, Boda, Chad, D, Mataram, J, Dylan, FV, Dylan Lee, T, Boda, A, BW, Norse, Mataram, E, K, Jimmy T, H, I, Salinas, and CG is Boda. So we're going to go alphabetical order. Come on. There we go. Alright, guys, I'm going to grab boxes. I have one here already. No one's touched any from the case, so let's grab 4 more random boxes. Alright, Leaf tweeted out this is a lower price point chance at big hits. So that's what I thought it was about. So let's see what it's about. Well, it's 5 boxes. It's going to be 5 autos, 5 memorabilia. Good luck, guys. First letter, first name. 2's in the store. Or if you want, these are $60 a box. Oh, look at that. Right off the bat. Cristiano Ronaldo jersey. Congratulations, you received a memorabilia card from Leaf Train Company. On the front of this card is a piece of Game Worn CR7. So C is Boda. And we got Mackenzie Carse. So M. Mataram in the M spot. Pele also has jersey cards in this too, so. I guess 2's in the store. 2 is in the store. At R9, Ronaldo has a Rio jersey. R is Grouch. And we got Jack Turner. So J, Mataram in the J spot, who's worried about E for some reason when he has J, which has the most names. But that's Matt for you. Mataram. Alright, we need a big name or someone that I know. Jude Bellingham. J is Matt. And Hugo Felix. HI is Salinas Finds a Way. Who's E, Matt, that you don't want? We got Z, PXZ, Boda, Zidane. And Siren Slicker, C, CG is Boda. For the D spot, Chad. That is David Beckham. And we got Keanu Dyer for K, Jimmy T. So no Holland. Oh, he wants a Holland. That's why he wants E. That's why. Okay, I understand. Man, I didn't translate it first. That's why. Sometimes you gotta explain these things to me, Matt.